Hey, this is Drew Bennett from BenSpark.com, and I am in Chicago. I am at the PBS Annual Meeting, and I'm actually in the PBS Kids VIP Lounge, our suite here. And VIP, I think I've told you, does not mean very important person. It means very involved parent, and that's what I am with PBS. Is I promote PBS shows like Nature Cat and Wild Kratts and things like that. I got invited to the annual meeting, and so I just arrived, and I'm here, and there's some really good stuff. There's this dip over there, these homemade chips, so good. And nobody else is here, so there might be some left for everybody when they get back. I don't know. But then there's also like fruit and coffee and cheeses and all sorts of stuff behind me there too. So I'm gonna recharge my phone and everything, and then I'm gonna go get registered, and I'll hit up the lunch. There's gonna be a whole bunch of stuff going on today, and I hope I can record much of it. So I have the special key to the PBS Kids VIP suite. Daniel Tiger and Sons. Oh. Who I found at the PBS annual meeting? It's Daniel Tiger. I think my first PBS annual meeting was when they introduced your show, and we have loved it ever since. So, thank you, Daniel. Oh, hey. So, I am now in my actual hotel room. I'm over at the Lowe's in Chicago, downtown. And if I can back up here, you can see out into this courtyard. So that's another building across the way, but isn't that a pretty cool courtyard? Looks like it looked for a second like a putting green or something like that. So I'm here in my hotel room and just checking in. You know, they gave me a few things that are Chicago themed here. So I got this postcard and these Chicago Post coasters that are real heavy, Chicago mug, and some popcorn. It looks like the caramel and cheese flavored mixed together. I guess that's a Chicago thing. I don't know. So we're gonna be a few minutes. I'm gonna unpack and then go over to Spiffy Studios, and that's where they create Nature Cat. So that'll be fun. So I'm about to record some lines for Nature Cat, and I'm Nature Cat. Crazy.
I don't think we're doing it to the picture. We're doing it to the picture.
Okay. Oh, no,
we can get the picture out there.
Oh, no, it's fine.
It's up to you.
Actually, if I just say whatever.
We'll put it up for the first one.
Just to get a
and
video,
then,
yeah.
Then
Oh,
you
okay,
can
okay.
Then you can do more takes after. So only the first take, you'll see the exact video.
Okay.
And then you could do that line again as much as you want.
So this is
All
for
right.
the video, so you
Yeah.
get to get everything in one.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
just the video obviously will keep rolling, and they're gonna say, you know.
And you're very brave to go first.
Really? Hal? That took you like a second to find me. Okay. Really? Hal? That took you like a second to find me. Back in for round 2. I'm here. Yes. Okay. 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 Yes! 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 Sure, I could babble. Okay. Great. Nervous? Who's nervous? Me? Nervous? You think? No, I'm not nervous. Yes, I'm a little nervous. Sure. Yeah, okay. Okay. We're on a different line. Nervous? Who's nervous? Me? Nervous? You think? No, I'm not nervous. Yes, I'm a little nervous. Okay. Nervous? Who's nervous? Me? Nervous? You think? No, I'm not nervous. Yes, I am a little nervous. So here's everybody inside the recording booth watching us. So the next person who's going to voice is coming in. So we're going to go back out there. We're on our way going to dinner, and right behind me is the hotel where the conference is, and so now we're walking to go get some pizza for dinner. So I'm standing outside Giordano's, and we're gonna have dinner here. We ordered our pizza. It's like a deep dish pizza, stuffed pizza, and it's gonna take about 45 minutes, so have a little bit of time. And I'm gonna go inside with the rest of the group.
Okay. One, two.
Oh, look at that. So out here at the Bean.
Oh, but is it going to be of our backs?
Gonna take a group shot. These are all the PBS Kids VIPs. We're here in Chicago, and we're at the Bean. See how that's a reflection? And that's the buildings on the other way. It was a really nice day today, and I'm back in my hotel room, and you know, we had a great time at Giordano's for dinner. That was awesome, great food there. And then we walked around and went to, I think it was the statue. People call it the Bean, like, because they don't know what the real name is. It's like the Cloud Gate, I think, maybe, I don't know. But we went over there, and that was fun. So I'm back in my room, and today when we went to Nature Cat, I got a little Nature Cat here with me. So I get to voice Nature Cat. I'm certainly not as good as the voice of Nature Cat, but that was fun. A lot of cool things. One thing we got here, Garrett popcorn shops, okay? This is the combination cheese and caramel. So, and I'll tell you, I am both intrigued and disgusted by this possible combination, but I'm gonna give it a try. It's so weird, and yet it works, if that makes any sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense that this is together, cheese and caramel corn. I'm probably not going to be able to stop eating this. So I should probably stop this video. Wow. Well, before I take another bite, this is Drew Bennett from benspark.com. You can find me on Instagram as Ben Spark, on Twitter as Ben Spark, at facebook.com/I'm not a famous blogger, and you can find me here every day for 2016. I hope that you decide to subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Have you ever had this combination before? Do you like it? I kind of like it. And the popcorn's really good. It's like the big, fat, mushroomy type popcorn, just giant kernels. All right, well, gotta go.